What meditation truly is and what it isn't. If meditation feels restless, uncomfortable, and messy, nothing is wrong. That struggle is the training. And understanding this changes your entire practice. Welcome. I am Rajat. Most people have the wrong idea about meditation. They imagine a perfect scene. You sit still, your mind is silent, your breath flows smoothly, you feel peaceful, happy, almost enlightened. And somehow, after this flawless session, life starts going in your favor. But let me say this clearly, that is not meditation. That is a fantasy we have all been sold. Here's what actually happens when most people sit to meditate. They close their eyes. Within seconds, the mind starts running. Past mistakes, future failures, random thoughts, discomfort in the body, and then something subtle but dangerous happens. A fear appears. I'm struggling, so I must be doing this wrong. And because of that fear, we start judging ourselves. We beat ourselves up. We lose confidence, and slowly we break our resolve. Nothing blocks progress more than criticizing yourself for how your mind behaves. It's not the wandering mind that stops you, it's blaming yourself for it. The courage to meditate wrongly. Here's the truth most people never hear. The courage to meditate wrongly is what allows real meditation to happen. Because when you stop trying to get it right, you finally stay present with what is. Or, and this one I like, the wrong way, practiced honestly, becomes the right way. So, struggle is not a sign of failure, struggle is the workout. Every time you sit and your mind wanders, every time you feel uncomfortable but still stay, every time you return to your anchor, you are getting better. Even when it doesn't feel like it, especially when it doesn't feel like it. What meditation really is. Meditation is not about eliminating thoughts. Meditation is training your mind and awareness to stay in the present moment. Your mind naturally moves between past problems, future uncertainties. Meditation is the practice of noticing this movement and gently bringing attention back to now. Back to the breath, back to a mantra, back to a sensation, depending on the kind of meditation you're doing, back to your anchor. That act of coming back again and again is the practice. Meditation is not about calming the mind. Meditation is about meeting the mind as it is. What regular practice actually changes when you meditate daily, irrespective of mood, struggle, boredom, or discomfort? Two important things begin to happen over time. First, the time it takes to settle into meditation reduces. The struggle starts losing its grip. It becomes easier and easier with time. Now, the struggle never disappears completely. Some days it's strong, some days it's subtle. But with regularity, it stops controlling you or dominating you. Now, thoughts still come, discomfort still appears, but they no longer derail you the way they once did. Patience is the real skill. Meditation is not about forcing focus. It's about staying patient with the process. Your job is simple. Sit. Choose an anchor. If you get distracted, notice it. Come back. That is it. No pressure to feel peaceful. No demand for a quiet mind. Just showing up. Closing thought. So if your meditation feels messy, uncomfortable, or imperfect, you're not doing it wrong. You are training. And so if you keep training regularly, patiently, imperfectly, you will find that meditation slowly begins to work, not because the mind becomes silent, but because you become present. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep meditating.